Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hey everyone! Today, I'm drawing a cool little astronaut in space, step by step. Let's jump right in. First, I draw the astronaut's head, nice and round, like a helmet.
Okay!
Then, I add the hand.
Okay.
Now I draw the oxygen bag on his back. Can't explore space without that.
Yes!
Next, I sketch the body and then the legs to complete his spacesuit.
Whoa!
Now let's make it feel like space. I add some stars all around him.
Nice.
Time to color. I start with blue for the helmet, oxygen bag, and legs.
Yes!
Wow.
Oh, nice.
Then, I use sky blue to color the rest of his suit and his arms.
Nice. Nice.
His belt is a bright orange, and I make the antenna on top left of his helmet is pink. Now, I color the device on his chest with yellow and orange, and I add 3 little buttons, one yellow, one red, and one green.
Yay!
His gloves are also pink. And I color the face shield on his helmet black, to protect him from the bright sunlight in space. The astronaut is fully colored. Now let's finish by coloring the stars.
Ciao, ciao.
I make some of them yellow, a few red, and some orange, just to give the sky that magical, outer space vibe.
Awesome!
Pew, 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 pew!
And that's it, our colorful astronaut is ready to float among the stars.
Oh, that was so cute!
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome drawings. See you next time!